Is the system update not downloading on your Redmi or Poco phone? In this video, I'll show you how to fix the MIUI update download problem. So, let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between mobile data to Wi-Fi. Try airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Turn on Wi-Fi scan throttling. First, open up the Settings app on your Xiaomi phone. Then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Additional Settings. Now scroll all the way down. Here, tap Developer Options. Now scroll down. Find the Wi-Fi scan throttling option. Make sure to toggle it on. Solution 2. Clear all system data. Open up the Settings app again. Then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Apps. Now search Updater. Here it is. Tap on it. Now, if you look at the bottom, you will see the option called Clear Data. Tap on it. Then tap Clear All Data. Now tap OK. Solution 3. Delete downloaded ROM file. Open up the File Manager app. Then make sure you are in the internal storage. Here, tap on the Download folder. After that, here you will see the downloaded _ROM file. Tap on it. Now delete all .zip files you find there. These are failed or corrupted update packages. Now restart your phone and retry the download. If still you're facing the same issue, then try my last solution. Solution 4. Download latest package. Go to the Settings app again. Then tap About Phone. Next, tap on the Hyper OS text. After that, tap on the 3 dots from the top right corner. Now, tap Download Latest Package. This often pulls a fresh, verified copy from the server. Now your issue is solved. Hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.